Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so as you know, I have been doing a lot of these vlogs. I'll be showing y'all what I be seeing. But I have, got a few things, okay? So let's unbox this together. This is a true unboxing. So okay, let's open this. This is where it came from. I'm so excited for this one. Y'all ready? Y'all are not, you would never guess what this is. Like, never guess what this is. Okay. This is my receipt. It's so pretty, y'all. Look. I got a Coach Cassie, y'all, in signature print. Okay, this is in chalk. Yeah, this is in the color chalk. Is this not gorgeous, y'all? So let's get the wrapping off. Y'all, this is her. Can y'all see? Is the light too bright? Let me turn the light down. Okay, now you can see. Look at her, y'all. So this is y'all, it's going back. I didn't even get to start the video. This is going back. Focus. Y'all see this? It's black. Y'all see that? Right here. I can't even hide my... I was trying to let the color readjust, but I can't even hide my disappointment. Like, and what I was going to say was this is so not like me because, I don't like this color. Well, it's not that I don't like, but I'm afraid of this color of bag because I wear a lot of black and dark denim. And it's a crease right here, like it's been folded up. I got this. I was excited because I do have one in, it's like a dark green. I'll show it to you and I love it. I absolutely love it. I took a chance on getting this color. This is the color of the inside. It does have a dust bag. I can't even hide it. I can't even. Let me show you my other one. Hold on. This is my green one that I love oh so much. And I was going to have two. I was so excited for this. It's going back. I wish I could take it back today. It would go back today. I'm sorry, y'all. This was an epic fail. I already don't get this color bags, and then for it to come out the gate like that, and it's not coming off. It's black, and it goes from like here to here, like that far. I'm sorry about this video, but anyway, if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.